from a prospect standpoint, how do they know they got the? I have to believe there's a lot of Joes out there, right? There's a lot of concepts out there.
Right.
How do you qualify that down?
Yeah, so I think there are a few key components that customers need to look at when going through their partnership and vendor selection to implement the solution. I believe one of the biggest ones is, product knowledge. Right? What are the solutions I'm looking to implement within Salesforce or HubSpot, and how comfortable and how many projects have they completed? And, do they have testimonials out there and case studies out there? So all the materials that they have at their disposal to go and review prior to selecting a partner. I also believe that industry experience is extremely important. Partners could spend, weeks or months delaying a project, spending additional cost and time to an organization trying to learn their business processes. And if you find someone who has experience within their industry, that really streamlines the whole process.
So I'm a prospect, I'm talking to a partner, and I say, hey, you got experience in what we're doing? And they say, oh yeah, I've done this. How does a prospect go deeper than that, though? How do I validate what you tell me is true as a partner?
Sure. It's really, we can provide customer referrals and references over to them. As I mentioned, we have a lot of different case studies that we put together. I think that's one of the biggest benefit a partner can do is when they complete a project, validate that project. Hey, I'm working with this particular manufacturing company, let's say, and this is what concept helped us with. This is what our business problem was, and provide that material over to them. Let them validate it. If they'd like to speak with an existing customer, allow them to do that as well. But communication is also extremely important. I think you develop a certain rapport with the prospect that you're speaking with, and uncovering their needs, and just having that high level conversation from the onset to know pretty quick if you as a company are going to be comfortable with them as a prospect, and make sure that you have an appropriate.
So you got to hit it off personality wise.
Exactly.
And then they got to have relative experience in your industry, right? Even application experience on your specific application, maybe that you're trying to do.
Exactly right.
So there's several things they could be looking for.
Yes.